So I'm just plastic welding this little side skirt area here with a soldering iron. I've taped the actual broken part in place with a little bit of tape. Now I'm just gently heating it up and melting both sides together like you would with a welder, just stitching it together. I'll do the same on the outside and I'll sand it all back. Bit of super glue there, smells nice. And then I'll give it a coat of filler, and that should smooth it all out, make it all nice. If you're doing things like this, make sure you're in a well ventilated area. I've got the door open here, and then I'll be using a little bit of cut off plastic as a filler along this line here. If you want to see the full video, that'll be coming up soon, so make sure you subscribe. These are Celica side skirts. I'm basically taking two side skirts and making one big side skirt with a wider profile. Hoping it's going to work. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and I'll see you again soon.